teacher about it, you should tell someone about it, one of the teachers, that you're being bullied so that no one does that anymore to you, right? All right, yes. How was your week this week? Oh, thank God for best friends. We all need one, don't we? That's right. We all need a best friend. Now, I hope that you had a really good week and that you learned something very important this week from school, right? Hands up those who learned something new this week. All right. And the rest of us? Well, let's hope we learn something new this coming week, right? Okay, now, our story this morning is a parable. Now, a parable, who knows what a parable is? The Bible is full of parables. And a parable is a story that is not necessarily true or it didn't really happen, but you can learn a moral or a value from it. You can learn a lesson, right? So, you see what I have? What is this?
A pencil.
A pencil. How do you use a pencil? You use it in school every day, don't you? Yes, we use it every day in school so that we can write our schoolwork. Now, the story today is about a pencil maker. A man who makes pencils. Now, the pencil maker, as he was making his